In this video, I'm going to show how to fix this audio is not importing into Adobe Premiere Pro Timeline along with video. As you can see, I have already imported my video with sound into my project. Let's fix this issue. First go to Edit, then Preferences, and now click Media Cache. Now you can see a delete button. Next, remove media cache files and hit that delete button. Now hit OK. Now close this tab. Now you can see this A1, which means first audio track is disabled. So simply enable it by clicking. Now you drag and drop your video into your timeline, and you can see both the video and audio tracks are visible. Let's check whether the sound track is working or not. It is perfect now. That is it. Thanks for watching and hit the like button if this video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe as well.